Nutritional yeast this, nutritional yeast that. Why don't you add some nooch? You likely hear people mention this, but what is nutritional yeast exactly? And is it even healthy for you? Let's get into it. So first things first, what exactly is nutritional yeast? Nutritional yeast, or as many affectionately call it, nooch, is a deactivated yeast. Unlike active yeast used in baking bread or brewing beer, nooch won't cause fermentation. It's cultivated from the same species used for bakers and brewers' yeast, but it's treated differently. After it's grown, usually on a sugar-rich medium like molasses, it's heated to deactivate it, then harvested, washed, dried, and packaged into the flakes, granules, or powder you find in your health food store or supermarket. Nutritional yeast is consistently praised for its savory, cheesy flavor, making it a popular choice for vegans, but also non-vegans alike. A small serving packs a punch. Just 2 teaspoons of fortified nutritional yeast, which is 1 serving, contains 20 calories, 3 grams of protein, 1 gram of fiber, 2 grams carbohydrates, 0 grams of fat, and it's loaded with B vitamins, 313% of your daily value of B12, 246% of the B2, 212% of the daily value of B6, and 59% of the daily value of vitamin B9. These nutrients contribute to various health benefits, from boosting energy levels to supporting the immune system and maintaining healthy skin and eyes. It is a great addition in your kitchen for adding essential nutrients to your diet. Nutritional yeast isn't just a flavor enhancer, it offers substantial health benefits, particularly vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and blood health, and often a concern for those on a vegan diet. The beta-glucans in nutritional yeast help manage cholesterol levels. This can contribute to improved cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition, it strengthens the immune system, reducing the frequency of infections. Oh, and athletes might appreciate how the amino acids in nutritional yeast aid muscle recovery and reduce the inflammation post-exercise. Contains all 9 essential amino acids. As a complete protein, nutritional yeast contains 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own. This makes it an invaluable protein source for those on a plant-based diet. Enhances skin health. B vitamins in nutritional yeast, particularly niacin, aka B3, are important for maintaining clear, healthy skin and could help manage conditions like acne. The chromium present in nutritional yeast can help improve blood sugar control, which is really beneficial for people with insulin sensitivities or diabetes. It's really easy to cook with. Its umami flavors make nutritional yeast a versatile addition to many dishes. Sprinkle it on some popcorn for a cheese-like flavor without the dairy, add it to your soups for depth, or use it as a thickener for sauces. It's also great in vegan cheese recipes, giving a creamy texture and a rich taste. Now, should you avoid nutritional yeast? While nutritional yeast is safe for most people, those with yeast allergies or certain medical conditions should avoid it. It's also high in fiber and B vitamins, which can be beneficial, but might require moderation depending on individual health needs. It is great for those with gluten, soy, sugar, and dairy allergies. It's a fantastic dietary addition for individuals with allergies or sensitivities to these ingredients. Its savory flavor allows it to be a substitute for cheese, making it a favorite among those who are lactose intolerant or just are allergic to any other dairy products. Try using it to make a non-dairy mac and cheese, pesto sauce, popcorn, mashed potatoes, the list goes on. Now, let's review with some frequently asked questions. What exactly is nutritional yeast? Well, nutritional yeast is a deactivated form of yeast used in baking and brewing. However, it is specifically grown to be used as a nutritional supplement or flavoring agent in foods, providing a cheesy or nutty flavor. Is nutritional yeast gluten-free? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. Nutritional yeast is naturally gluten-free, making it a great addition for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. However, if cross-contamination is a concern, be sure to look for brands that specifically label their product as gluten-free. Can nutritional yeast help with weight management? Nutritional yeast is low in calories and fat while offering a good amount of protein and fiber, which can aid in weight management. Its high nutrient density makes it an excellent choice for those that are looking to enhance their diet without adding the excess calories. Does nutritional yeast expire? Yes, nutritional yeast can expire. It typically has a shelf life of about 2 years, but to maximize its lifespan, store it in a cool, dark place and keep it tightly sealed to prevent moisture and air from entering. Can I substitute nutritional yeast for cheese in recipes? Absolutely. Nutritional yeast is popular among vegans and for those who are also lactose intolerant for its cheesy flavor. It works well sprinkled over pasta, added to mashed potatoes, or stirred into sauces where you might otherwise use cheese. So, is nutritional yeast a miracle food? It might just be for some. It's packed with nutrients, especially B vitamins, and can be a wonderful addition to a plant-based diet. However, as with all things, moderation is key, and it's important to listen to your body's responses. That wraps up our exploration on nutritional yeast. If you found this information useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and food facts. Remember, in life there are plenty of choices to make. Let's try our best to make them good ones. See you in the next video.